My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
This is part 2 of my skincare tips for different skin types, so make sure to check out part 1. In this video, we will talk about tips for sensitive skin, tips for combination skin, face masks for all skin types, and how to identify what skin type you are. Sensitive skin. Sensitive skin is skin that tends to react to chemicals, dyes, and fragrances present in products. They may also get rashes from clothing or friction. Avoid fragranced products as they can irritate your skin. Look for gentle products that are non-irritating and pH balancing. Use a silk pillowcase as your skin type is very sensitive to friction. It is very important to watch what you eat when trying to achieve clear skin. Watch out for the skin around your eyes as it tends to be much more sensitive than the rest of your face. Exfoliate carefully and avoid using harsh exfoliants as they can make sensitive skin react. The only advice I can give to those with combination skin is to divide and conquer. Recognize what part of your skin is which skin type and treat them accordingly. Which leads me to the next part of this video, recognizing your skin type. Dry skin produces less oils than other skin types. As a result, it appears scaly, flaky, or rough. It often feels tight, less elastic, or dehydrated, and may be prone to showing fine lines. Normal skin is balanced between oily and dry and isn't prone to breakouts. Despite this, it still requires proper skincare to look and feel its best. Sensitive skin is skin that reacts easily with products and its environments. If you have sensitive skin, you need to determine its triggers and avoid them. Acne-prone skin is skin that is prone to any type of acne. Combination skin is typically having an oily T-zone and dry skin in other areas. But how will you know which one's you? There are 2 methods to help you identify your skin type. The watch and wait method. This method requires observation skills. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. Gently pat it dry. Wait for 30 minutes. If your skin appears shiny, you likely have oily skin. If it feels tight and is flaky, you likely have dry skin. If the shine is only in your T-zone, you likely have combination skin. If your skin feels comfortable but not oily, you likely have normal skin. The second and final method is called the blotting sheet method. When pressed to the skin, blotting sheets absorb oil so you can use them to identify your skin type. After washing your face with a gentle cleanser, pat it dry and wait for 30 minutes. Press blotting sheets to various areas of your face, then hold the sheets up to the light to see the oil markings. If the sheets soaked up an abundance of oil from all areas of the face, you have oily skin. If they absorb little to no oil, then you probably have dry skin. If the sheets show only a small amount of oil from your T-zone, you have combination skin. If you only see minimal oil from every area of your face, you most likely have normal skin. DIY face masks. For normal skin, melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and add it to a mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and mix well. Then massage gently into your skin and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then gently rinse it off. For dry skin, mix half an avocado, 2 teaspoons of raw honey, and 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. Let it sit on your face for 20 minutes. Wash it off and carry on with your usual skincare routine. For oily skin, Mix 1 egg white with half teaspoon of diluted lemon juice and 2 drops of tea tree oil. Brush on a thin layer to your face. Wait 10 minutes until completely dry and wash off with warm water. For combination skin, I'll recommend a universal face mask that's beneficial for all skin types. Puree half a cucumber until it's a paste. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe gel and blend until smooth. Apply mask and massage gently. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse off with cool water. For acne-prone skin, put 2 tablespoons of hot green tea in a bowl. Dissolve the Epsom salt in the hot tea. Mix in the bentonite clay and stir until smooth. Spread evenly on your face and wait 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off with warm water. That's all for today's video. Hope it was helpful to you. Stay safe and beautiful and see you in the next one.